Good everyone, so here we have the Stoll Loader Hydrofix system. As you can see, there's a leak. I've already done a video of how to actually replace the valves, take it apart and replace the valves themselves, but this video is a quick video tutorial on replacing the O-ring inside the valve, so you can actually get it ready for a replacement in case you need it in the future. So without further ado, let's get into it. So everyone, to take it apart, you just need a 27mm spanner for here and a 24mm spanner for there. And then I've already just cracked it, so you just rotate them apart, and they're going to be under tension because there's springs there internally. So just hold on to the end, there we go, and then it just literally pops out. So we separate it, and then we have this components here. So you have a larger outer spring, we have the spring that's attached to this piece here, and what I'll do is I'll bring this up so you can actually see it. So the spring locates into this outer channel and just sits on all three like so. The next thing we want to do is just need to push that top piece in using, it's quite tricky, your one might already be, because that blue O-ring inside is broken, then it might already be down, but you just pop it in and then that will give you access there, and then it's really just get some tweezers or something along them lines, pick out that blue O-ring from inside there. Try not to scratch up, you want to keep any scratches away from that internal surface. So there we have it. I've removed it using pliers because it's obviously in a couple of pieces. There we go, there was the small, it was cracked and everything else, but essentially just in this groove here is where that O-ring goes. So what we'll do is we'll get the replacement and we'll pop that in. So there we have it, the new one's been placed inside. So pretty much all you've got to do is literally pinch it together, place it in, and then just work it side by side until it will literally pop in place. Just be careful you don't scratch or anything to the inside, but it literally, you know, if you pinch it and insert one end and then just work it round, and then it will just pop into place. What we'll do is just pop that internal cylinder up. So to, like I say, to pop that in, you want to put something down there to go into that internal piece. Right down there, it wants to be flat bottomed, so I'm using this. I'm just going to put that all the way down to there. Excuse the dirty clamp, I'm just using old spare parts, but make sure yours is clean. Just put that inside a clamp, and then you can just lever that nice and gently until it pops into place. So for the reassembly, you have an O-ring. This is the second component part of it. You have an O-ring in the bottom, so we want to be careful. We want to make sure this spring sits on that housing all the way round, like so. That will go into there, like that, and then what we do is we slide this over the top, making sure that it locates into that there. We push it down and then we just do that up by hand just to get it started. So it's all back together, ready for reuse, and then the last thing we do is just put the dust cap on the end, just so that no crap goes in it.